The Snake and the Ants. Deep in a lush Indian forest, there lived a young cobra. As he grew bigger each day, he became more and more powerful. He ate lizards, frogs, and even smaller snakes. All the forest creatures began to fear him. Years passed, and the cobra grew enormous. He became known as the King Cobra, and his pride grew as large as his body. Whenever he slithered through the forest, all animals ran away in terror. This made the King Cobra feel invincible. One day, the proud King Cobra discovered a magnificent banyan tree. "This shall be my royal palace," he declared. But near the tree stood a humble ant hill. The arrogant snake looked at it with disgust. "You tiny creatures," the King Cobra hissed at the ants. "How dare you live near my royal home? Leave immediately, or I shall destroy you all." The ants looked up at the giant snake, but they were not afraid. The brave ant queen stepped forward and spoke calmly. "Great King Cobra, this has been our home for generations. We will not abandon it. We may be small, but together we are strong. Please leave us in peace." The cobra laughed at her words. Enraged by the ant's defiance, the King Cobra lunged at the ant hill. But the moment he attacked, thousands upon thousands of ants swarmed out. They covered the cobra from head to tail, biting and stinging with all their might. The cobra thrashed and writhed, but he could not escape the tiny warriors. Despite his great size and strength, the King Cobra could not defeat the united army of ants. Overwhelmed by their numbers, the proud snake fell. The ants had protected their home. And so, the mighty King Cobra learned too late that pride leads to destruction, and even the smallest creatures can triumph when they stand together. Moral: pride goes before a fall. United, even the smallest can defeat the mightiest.